done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes. We're chasing the easy life.
Hey y'all, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna be working with AiS Hair and Beauty. They are a vendor on dhgate.com. I will leave the link down below. So they sent me over this Malaysian water wave 20-inch wig, lace front wig. I didn't do anything but cut the lace off of this wig and put it on my head. But this is what it looks like straight out of the box. So I'm gonna comb her out real quick. I don't wear my wigs like this because it's so hot, but it is so pretty. Like, look at the fullness of the wig. And like I said, all I did was just take it out of the box and cut the lace off. I didn't glue the wig down or anything. I'm gonna show y'all the parting space and the hairline in a minute. This is what it looks like, all combed out. It was like fall, winter. This is cute. It may be a lot for some, but you know, some people hair is naturally like that. That's so. Regular old water and some leave-in conditioner, and voila. Alright y'all, so we're all done here. This braid looked a lot better than this braid, but whatever. So I was gonna wear it like this. One side pushed back a little bit, and then this side coming a little bit more forward and a little bit more fuller, but I think I might switch sides. Let's switch sides because, yeah. We're gonna cover up that braid a little bit. Okay, yeah. That's much better. So if you want to keep these curls popping overnight, if you want to wear the wig overnight, I would just section the hair off, maybe 6 in total. Take your water, leave-in conditioner, mousse, or curling cream, curling gel, and just twist the hair up. You're just gonna twist the hair up. Make sure you kind of like soak these ends and kind of twirl it on your finger so it can have that curl on the end. So then you can pin these up, throw your bonnet on, and then when you wake up in the morning, you just take them down. Probably gonna have to, you know, do a little refresher, then you're good to go. As always, I will leave the link down below to this wig. I thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.